The flying car is already being tested in Europe. It runs on regular gas and can operate on the road just like a car. And in the air, it can travel about 100 miles an hour. This animation shows how an electric version would transition into a helicopter for it to land on the top of the Paramount Tower.
So in essence, a flying drone could land right on the landing pad, and then you can enter right into what's today the observatory, which future would be a skyport.
So an electrical vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, and so that will be able to take off vertically from the deck, transition into horizontal flight, take you to where you need to go, and land vertically. And we anticipate those will probably have 15 to 20-minute durations, just short flights.
For now, there's a real pilot, though, doing the flying. Dan says this concept goes way beyond the few who can afford their own flying car or a place like this to park it. This concept can be the beginning.